How to add a calendar to Square website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a calendar to your Square website. I'm going to include in this method the original one, which is going to be the Square Appointments calendar, and so you can go ahead and add your proper services into your website. So we're going to head over first to the appointments on Square, or we are going to head over to squareup.com, sign up for an account, head over the appointments from the left side of the screen. This is something that we need. Now we're going to head over the online booking, and we're going to select advanced widget. Now, basically, if you have set up everything about your Square appointments, you're going to head over create new widget, and we are going to put a name for it, and then we are going to select some staff. I'm going to simplify things, so we are going to customize the staff. And also I'm not going to include all the services, but I'm going to include only one or two, so I'm going to include one. And at the end we are going to have two codes, so we are going to put a button for that specific widget, or we can go ahead and put the widget code directly. Now I'm going only to be interested in the widget code, so I'm going to copy that code, have it like this. I'm going to be back to the home page, but we can go ahead and put the notepad. So I'm going to open up the notepad, so we are not going to lose it, I mean. So we are going to head over the online, click on online store, and wait for the website to be opened. So it is going to be a HTML code, and it is going to be clicked on edit site. Click on edit site, wait for a few seconds. Now we are going to have, as you can see here, the website itself. Wait for the editor, click on add on the page that you want to add it. Section, from the section we are going to have the embed code, and it is going to be having a look like this. So basically I cannot or unfortunately I cannot add the embed code right here. Why? Because it is going to be an upgradable plan, so we cannot have it like this. So you need to upgrade like that, you can see it, and then you can go ahead and add a specific HTML code or an embedded code. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.